Today we'll talk about the Filipino-based maestro who invited me in his party that's not just about dancing and music, but also a celebration of Filipino pride and unwavering spirit of family. All of that right after the intro. Our story begins with Tata, a talented bass musician who embarked on a journey from the Philippines to California. Driven by a powerful desire to provide better opportunities for his family, as a fellow Filipino, Tata's journey makes me immensely proud. What sets Tata apart is not just his music, it's his heart. He passionately shares his knowledge and skills with the younger generation. Whether it's cooking, bartending, singing, or bass guitar, Tata encourages fellow Filipino to showcase their talents. But Tata is not alone in this mission. The Filipino community in California, bound by shared love for family and culture, stands behind him. They are a living testament of the Filipino value of bayanihan, the spirit of communal unity. And here's the takeaway of the story. Filipinos are renowned for their unwavering commitment to family. That's Tata's journey, and the support he receives highlight a value that's becoming increasingly rare in the world today. Filipinos are willing to sacrifice personal careers and ambitions to uplift their loved ones. And so, at the heart of this recent party, we don't just find music and dance. We discover a community that celebrates its culture and traditions and its shared aspirations. Tata's story reminds us all to embrace the spirit of unity, to celebrate our roots, and to remember that family, above all else, is worth every sacrifice. So here's to Tata, to the Filipino community in California, to all of us who carry the torch of family-centered values. It's a story that makes us proud to be Filipino. It's a story that we'll continue to share, celebrate, and live. Until next time, peace.